Tornado number 4.
Possibly tornado number 4 if it goes down. Possibly tornado number 4.
You think we might be able to beat Andy Gableson and his 8 tornadoes?
Tornado number 4 is on the ground.
Yep, tornado number 4 on the ground. Woohoo! Tornado number 4. So it might be roping out again. Oh, I got that right behind it. I got that. Woo! Tornado number 4. Roping out. Strong supercell.
Cyclic supercell. This one, possible funnel to the left of the rope.
Oh,
Possible cone funnel to the left of the rope.
nice lightning. If I can get past these trees, might have another cone funnel right to the left.
Funnel, another tornado.
Another tornado, another tornado.
Tornado number 5, just to the left of the rope. Right over there, tornado number 5.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's on the ground.
Yep,
gotta be on
tornado
the ground.
number 5.
Tornado number 5.
We just might beat Andy Gableson number 8. Tornado number 5.